ดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. This episode I want to show about Thai yoga exercise for health stretching at lower back and hip, also at your thigh, back leg and front leg. You can massage at the same time. Just avoid it with someone who really unflexible or like stiffness and have bone spur at lower back about L1 to L5. This area if have bone spur fused together or have osteoporosis, this one should avoid. Okay, we start by standing this position, leg and shoulder safe alignment. Your hand on your thigh. Start massage this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back leg straight. Feel stretching that area and hold feeling like this for 10 seconds. If you can move your hand to like until the ground, that's good. Keep feeling stretching at posterior at your hip and your back leg. If you really can't go further than that, you just stay where you are. Keep hold that position for 10 seconds and then move back, massage back up. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you pain what area you feel very tight, you can focus massage that area more. Just take your time. Okay, we repeat 2 more times. Okay, the second exercise, I will stand a bit further, wide, like this. This exercise, we will stretch back leg, hip, lower back, and also stretching at the middle of your leg, inside of your legs as well. Okay, we stand like this, or someone not really flexible, you can move not too much like me, depending you easy for stand. Keep the stair you can where you can do just enough and keep doing, continue will help. Not really too much and not easy for get tear or get injury. Okay, I stand this position and then I move my body like a bend, drop my arm to the ground. Head. If you can move your head, drop to the ground, and your elbow drop to the ground, will be good. And straight, and your leg keep straight. Feel stretching back leg and at middle or inside of your leg. Hold for 10 seconds and breathing in too, and hold for 10 seconds. Breathe out. Okay, then we back to normal. Yeah, this exercise quite good for whole leg, this and hip as well. But have to be careful if you have or someone have a hip impingement or have injury at your hip. Have to stand not too wild, or just stand you can do for comfortable, like this one. Also you can do like depending you can do. Okay, I hope both exercise help for you more stretching. If you have a comment, you can let me know, and if you like this video, click like, link share for your friend, click subscribe and follow me. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย